Ho, ho, ho. Why, hello, friends and family. Welcome back to the workshop. I am Wowie, and I am here with some big challenge news. The Watcher Challenge. A lot of you guys have already taken part and sent me the pictures, but we still got a lot of people who aren't finished yet. So I was talking with Jordy from Carbon Fusion. We're extending it. We're going to extend it a month. So you now have till January 1st, 2026 to submit your Watcher. I know there's a couple people too, like Rhinestone Susanna, a friend of the channel. She had an injury and she's just trying to get healed up. We want to make sure everybody can take part because I also got big news on the prizes. Yes, we've been talking with Kutzall. Mikey is such a great guy, supportive. We are affiliates. He is so supportive. Being the head of Kutzall, they are going to donate 2 burr kits. I'm going to ask, maybe one of them can be the fine detail burr kits, but he said 2 of the 1/8 shaft burr kits. So that's usually the little variety one. So either or, it's an amazing prize. Plus, you're going to be getting, someone's going to be getting Bernice B Bright, or for short, Bernice Bright for short. And then I'm even going to throw in this. This is a little LED candle that I put on her because I didn't want real wax to go down her. So I'll be giving that as well with Bernice. And then, like I said before, I'll be donating a machine. Wowwy'z Werkshop, Two Brothers, One Vision is going to donate a rotary machine of some sort. I want to get the strongest one as I can, hopefully a 4000 and 4300. But extending this also gives me the opportunity to take part in all of the really good sales. And maybe there'll even be more prizes because of it. Because maybe Wowie will get a little bit of Christmas money. I'll put that back into you guys. I got no problem doing that. All right? So that's the big update, little challenge update. I hope you guys are making your magic. So you got till January 1st now. So get on it. Do it to it. The Watcher Challenge. With the support of Carbon Fusion. And this is LaRue. See you guys soon. Ciao! I know you can do it.